Today, I'll show you the safest, easiest ways to bring your scanned documents or photos into Adobe Photoshop, now that the old Twain Scanner plugin is no longer supported. By the end of this video, you'll confidently scan a high-quality image and get it ready for editing in Photoshop, without the risk of unwanted crashes or bugs. Let's jump right in and make scanning smooth and reliable for you. First, let's talk about the best method, and the one that Adobe actually recommends. Instead of wrestling with outdated plugins, the trick is to use your scanner's dedicated software. Every major scanner brand, whether it's Epson, Canon, HP, Brother, or another, comes with its own scanning utility. These programs are specifically designed for your hardware and usually offer an easy, straightforward experience. Start by launching your scanner's software on your computer. For example, Epson Scan, Canon IJ Scan Utility, HP Smart, or Brother iPrint and Scan. Once the program opens, go ahead and place your document or photo face down on the scanner glass. Line it up neatly, just like you would making a photocopy, so your scan is well positioned. If you're scanning something delicate or valuable, take an extra moment to gently wipe the glass for dust. That little step can mean a cleaner, sharper image. Tell the software you want to scan, just as you normally would. When it's time to save, you'll likely spot a few different options for file formats. For best results, if quality is your top priority, select TIFF or PNG. These formats keep all the details and colors without adding compression that might blur or distort your image. If you need a much smaller file, maybe just for sharing or emailing, JPEG can work well. But keep in mind it's a lossy format. It shrinks file size by sacrificing some detail. Most scanner programs let you choose a folder and file name, so keep things organized by picking a spot you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated scans folder. Once your scan is saved, the hard part is over. Now move into Photoshop. Just start the program like usual. Go to the File menu up at the top, choose Open, and browse to where you saved that scanned image. Select it, click Open, and your image will appear ready for editing. It's that simple. You completely avoid the old Twain plugin and all the headaches it used to cause, and you know your image will look just as crisp and clear as you scanned it. Now that's the recommended method, but if you're on Windows and want to try scanning directly from Photoshop, there's another feature called WIA support, which stands for Windows Image Acquisition. This can work for some scanner models, but it's important to note that not every scanner is WIA compatible, and you'll need to have the right driver installed first. If you're not sure, a quick visit to your scanner manufacturer's website can help you find the latest driver. Assuming your scanner is ready, open Photoshop, click on the File menu, go down to Import, then select WIA Support. A box will pop up with a list of available scanners. Just choose yours. The WIA window will offer basic settings, like color settings, resolution, and file type. Adjust them as needed, then hit Scan. After a few moments, your new image will load right into Photoshop, ready to go. Keep in mind, this method is sometimes less customizable than your scanner's own software, but it can be a real time saver if everything lines up. Alright, that's all there is to it. Remember, skipping the old Twain plugin helps keep Photoshop stable and avoids crashes. So using your scanner's software or WIA support is the way to go. If this tutorial helped make scanning into Photoshop clearer for you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, just drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.